Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've kind of got a unique video here for you guys. Normally I do like one design overview, but these two designs were actually requested to me by past clients here. So if you have your own design that you would like to see created, drop it below in the comments and I'll see if I can get to it in the list. This will give me a list of designs to get back to and inspire to make. So I'd love to see what you guys would like to see made. If it fits into my style, I'd love to make it, and then we can just do future project videos like this for you guys. Wanted to make the YouTube videos a little bit more interactive. So with all that out of the way, let's just jump into this, and I'll explain my thoughts here, and we'll go from there. So as you can see, this one is the 21 slot tower display. This one was originally made for a client who wanted it for stamp ink pads, and they wanted it this way in this photo down here. So basically the ink pads are 3x3, so I made them 3x3 deep, and then 1.5 inches tall, that way you can stack like 2 or 3 of them in there. Obviously I didn't have any ink pads to try myself since I don't do stamping, but I did try it with like little Matchbox or Hot Wheels cars, little figurines, and baseball cards. So this has like endless amounts of uses for it. Just a quick note though, if you're going to use these for Hot Wheels cars, if they're over 3 inches, you may have to angle them like I did with some of these slightly. I kind of like the angled look better so you can see part of the front and the sides so you can get the whole effect anyways. But just a heads up on that. And like I said, you can use them for baseball cards, just lay them down on the side. Many uses, but that is the reason why I made it, was for ink pad stamps, believe it or not. So with that one out of the way, we're going to jump into this one here. This is the multi-card holder. This is basically, I had a client request 3 cards all on one platform versus just 1 card on a platform. That way you can view multiple at a time without printing multiple bases off here. So as you can see, this is the new design. I've got a whole new platform here that holds all 3 cards at one time. I did have the original one, which is this, where it can hold just 1 at a time. This is what it looks like when it's all said and done. And then they have the swappable cartridges, but basically you would have to put these away and not display them there. So they wanted more at once, so I gave them more at once here. I went ahead and stuck with the same theme, the same cartridges, and I created this unique like locking pin system for the base here that locks them into place. And then if you need to, if you want to get a little bit more fancy, we have like the little spinning display card here. So these were the first 2 that I created, and then they wanted just a little bit more expandable room here to be displayed. So let me show you how those cartridges work really quick. I got a little video here. This is the little spinning one. As you can see, it's spinning there. And then right here, I'm going to show you the little cartridges that you swap out here. And that's pretty much it. You just pull them off, and then they pop right back into place. Let me go back to the new one here. You can see this one a little bit better if I zoom in. It's basically 2 layers of acrylic that is surrounding wood and held in by these pins here to create this like closed system. And then these little cutaways here create this locking system right here that sits in these little 2 cutaways, and then the acrylic forms right over top of these 2. Hopefully you guys can see that. And hopefully this video is kind of a cool, unique way. I hope to get a lot of comments from you guys. If you do want to see something cool made, let me know. But other than that, it's been Josh with Fresh Start Customs. I hope to see more of your guys' comments in the future of designs that you'd like to see made. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.